everyone, and welcome again. Today we're going to introduce where we can write our codes if you don't want to download any kind of the Qt or the Microsoft Visual Studio. So you can start writing your codes on an online compiler called GDB Online Debugger. If you wrote GDB, it's going to be suppose it must be the first GDB. I'm sorry, GDB. So this is the first link. We're going to press on it, and then you're going to see run, debug, stop, share, save. Okay, so we're going to choose the C++ language, and then you can start writing your own code here. It's a comment, so you're going to start your code from line 9. And for example, if I wrote hash include iostream, then using namespace std, and then main, and then I'm going to write something here, cout. I'm sorry. Cout high. Okay. So when I finish my program, I'm just going to click on this run, and you can see here hi. Okay, so this is a way or a method. Instead of installing any of the Qt or the Microsoft Visual Studio on your PC, it's really easy. The GDB Online Debugger, it's really easy. You can start writing your codes online. Thank you, and if you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.